Where to find the best sites. Dogs and puppies. Hello. The best internet resources about how to artificially inseminate a dog at home. These selected resources on the web might help you. The most helpful site to learn about how to artificially inseminate a dog at home is en.wikipedia.org. See the page titled Artificial Insemination, Wikipedia, the free encyclopedia. Here's the link. Try also our second-ranked site Leerburg.com, especially the page Leerburg How to Artificially Inseminate Your Dog DVD. Here's the link. Last but not least, try our third-ranked site cows.wonderhowto.com. The web page How to Artificially Inseminate a Cow Cows. Here's the link.